Good day, sir. I am Matuog from 12 Solidarity, and I am here today to I'm going to show you how am I going to do the two types of Ethernet cable, which is the first one is straight through cable and the second one is the crossover cable. So let's start. So here are the materials in making straight through cable. First we have RG45 and we have the scissor, and lastly the UTP cable. In straight through cable, I choose the T-568B. So the arrangement of the color is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and lastly brown. The same goes with its bottom. As you can see, it is now done, so let us now proceed to the bottom. Again, in straight through cable, the arrangement of the color is still the same with the bottom. So, it is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and lastly, brown. So, after that, we have to put it inside the RG45. And then now, as you can see, I am done with the straight through cable. And now, let's proceed to the crossover cable. And now we have the last two RG45. Again, and the scissor and the UTP cable. In crossover cable, we have to follow the T-568A, which is the arrangement of the colors is the first one must be white and green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, then orange, white, brown, and lastly, brown. So look at the arrangement of the colors. And then let's put it inside the RG45, and after that it's now done. So let's now proceed to the next bottom. In the next bottom, we must follow the T-568B, which is the first color must be white orange, orange, white green, and then blue, white blue, green, and then white brown, and lastly brown. Look at the arrangement of the colors.
we must arrange the wire correctly in order to put it in the RG45 perfectly. And then now we are done with our task. We are done with the crossover cable. So here is the finished product of the crossover cable.